I'll start by introducing my people who are sitting next to me. Dr. Aisha Al-Busai, she is Director of Communications, Dubai Sports Council. And we have Nilesh Ved. In the first venue, the program will start around 7:30 immediately after the iftar. And the second one, program will start half an hour later, that is around 8 o'clock or so. And the program is expected to run concurrently for about 3 hours altogether, so we should be able to finish the program by about 10:30 or so. The halls of the venues, both the venues will be open from 6:30 onwards, so people can come and sit there. It is completely air conditioned. We are attempting to provide mat to each and every participant who comes in, so mats will be there. We have got a very, very elaborate content with us. Of course, I had told all of you about Yoga Rishi Baba Ramdev, who is coming, and I think there's quite a buzz around on this, both here as well as in India also. People are really excited about the possibility that UAE will be welcoming Yoga Rishi Baba Ramdev after many years. He doesn't travel abroad normally. Our effort always has been to introduce yoga in all its varied form, because diversity, the richness of yoga, we want to bring forth to the people of UAE. So we have, for example, Sister Jayanti Kriplani, who is from Raj Yoga Meditation. She is coming all the way from London. We have got Priya Ravan Baksh, who is a Persian origin. He has very large following here and in the entire world. Bharat Thakur, he is not an unknown name to all of you. Then Mr. Vinay Kapoor, who is Art of Living. I think many of you know him. He takes a lot of sessions on corporate yoga. And we have got Sandeep Kochar. I think many of you who watch ZTV cannot miss his program. So all in all, a very rich program. Our website remains the same, iyb.ae.
We are happy actually to be part of this international event of yoga. We are happy to be organizing this event with the General Consulate of UAE, of India and UAE. And this improved that yoga has a positive impact of health and happiness of people. Actually, I practice yoga. And I love yoga as one of the people that practice yoga. I'm happy that we will have that kind of event here now with international recognition.
We are really, really proud of the fact that the Dubai Sports Council has extended its full support, and we're really indebted to it. I don't think we would have come this far without support Dr. Aisha, and also acknowledge with gratefulness the fact that His Highness Sheikh Ahmed bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, President of UAE Olympic Committee himself, has extended his patronage. Very grateful. How much can a Consul General depend on Indian community to take the initiative forward? It is this vibrancy that I think Nilesh encapsulates, and I'm very grateful, Nilesh, for holding this ball, and I think I leave the podium to you for your remarks.
Yoga is for all communities, and that's what we are trying to bring here. It's good for health, it's good for happiness, it's good for harmony. His Excellency called me and told me that we want to do this with Baba Ramdev coming, so we'll support it. And this is where we want to take it forward for not today, but for coming years. And we will need the support from the Sports Council to do this more often, to bring the community closer. You know, for us as a company, we started in Dubai. And the rule is, are we part of the community? Community is not only one nationality, community is the UAE community. And if it's going to help the UAE community, then we support it, right? That's one thing. Yes, it's good to write a check and say thank you very much. But how are we going to make lifestyle changes after this? That's important to us.
One reason why we chose World Trade Center this time was because we wanted to be indoors. Last time, I think it was quite hot outside. It's fully air conditioned. And also it is very well connected with all modes of transportation. There are a lot of parking spaces here. It is very beautifully connected with the metro. And moreover, ladies and gentlemen, we have also set up points all across Dubai and other Emirates which are pickup points where our buses will run, thanks to Nilesh Ved's organization and many other like-minded people who have joined in, such as SOTC and all, to provide transport from these points. I think we are expecting about 20,000 people. If you ask me, I find myself a very small person, but I'm carried by big shoulders of the entire community and people of Dubai. You know, Dubai is full of energy, life, enthusiasm. People like him and Dr. Aisha that helped me. The fact that health has become such a central topic. The business organizations will only organize sessions on business. But now if you see, many organizations are now started organizing lectures on work-life balance, on yoga, on relaxation, on meditation. It is because I think life has become too disconnected from self. You know, you have become too involved. Work is 24/7. You are 24/7 connected to social media, and all the pressures are immense. And lifestyle disease has become such widespread.
So life is too busy, people disconnected, so we need to go back to ourselves, you know. So the yoga, I believe, is the right thing nowadays.
We have 500, 600 volunteers inside the two venues. We will also have 200 yoga teachers who will be assisting people, apart from yoga gurus on stage. So we have enough assistance and all, and I think people should just come free, with a free mind, loose clothes and light stomach, and they will really enjoy the 3 hours that we are going to have.